Okay, it's Fiestaro. All signs. Okay, emotions. Oo, ni person mo ngayong week na parating sa'yo. Okay, so syempre, yes, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, opo, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. And ganun rin pagdating po kay Perception of Light. Okay? So, sa mga gustong magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po kayo sa kanya. And yes, don't forget to follow. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, yan, physical, spiritual, sa may sanib, may mga kulang, kung ano man, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo magme-message. Okay? So, rekta na kayo sa kanya. Oo. So, ito po yung kanyang FB page, ha? O, type nyo lang, Kuya Dingsi. O, yan. Okay? And yes, don't forget na mag-follow rin. Okay? So, again, yeah, pagdating naman sa ating mga evil eye items. So, ito yung ating evil eye bracelet. The all-in-one evil eye bracelet available in red and black strings, and this is adjustable. Okay, and ano pa ba? Ito yung may initial. Okay, so ito po yung may initial. Ito yung wala. So, dalawa po yung ating bracelet. Okay, so yung may initial and yung wala. Same lang silang unisex. Okay po, same lang silang unisex, ha? Okay, so mga pababae, mga palalaki, kahit ano pa ang gender mo, yan, pwede sa'yo ito. Okay? Kasi yung iba nating evil eye is parang pang babae lang talaga. Anyway, so, evil eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable po. No, ang ating ring. So, ang atin namang evil eye necklace. Ito yung sinasabi kong may mga na-order rin na lalaki. Kasi maliit lang naman siya. Hindi naman masyadong magarbuhan. No, pwede naman panlalaki. Pinapalitan na lang nila po ng chain. Okay, so, yeah. Ganito siya. Okay, hypoallergenic. Oo. And non-tarnish and meron siyang extender. So, kung gusto mo ito yung gagamitin mo, pwede naman. Okay, meron siyang extender. So, important lang dito, yung ating pendant. Okay? So, kung inyong ipangre-regalo, again, ibibigay po sa amin ang pangalan ng pagbibigyan. Okay? So, dito naman tayo kay grantor. So, matatanggap nyo si grantor sa ganitong package. Nasa ganito siyang box. Okay? So, si grantor po is, unisex. Okay? So, ano ba yan? May kung ano man na insekto. Okay. So, ano nga ulit? Si grantor. Yan. Okay. Non-tarnish ang kanyang chain. Okay. And 20 inches long. And yeah, hypoallergenic rin po. No, yung chain nito ni grantor. So, ito naman, yung pendant niya is acrylic. Parang may glass. Okay po. Dun din sa likod niya is ganun. Okay. So, yan po. Ha? Okay. So, made to order again. Si grantor is made to order. So, again, kung gusto nyo, mas maaga, mas maganda. Okay? Kasi per week tayo nagpapagawa po. Okay? So, para makakahabol yung mga gusto magpagawa, mas maaga, mas maganda. Okay? So, ano pa ba? Yeah, yun lamang. So, kung may mga tanong pa, message lang kayo sa akin pong FB page para masagot po kayo ni admin or ako kung walang masyadong ginagawa. Okay po. So, let's start your reading. All signs. Okay. All signs. Emotion ni person mo ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, let's start with Aries. Check natin emotion ni person mo. Aries. The King of Swords. Detached. Cold. Distant. Why? Four of Cups in reversed. Okay. Some of them, Aries, pwedeng aqua, pwedeng water sign. nandiyan yung may mag-e-express ng totoong emosyon. Okay? Totoong emosyon by next week. So, meron din iba sa kanila na parang ang ipapakita nila is they're cold and detached. Pwede kasing meron silang parang something na nararamdaman. So, yun yung parang pag-express nila ng emosyon sa'yo. Like, I don't know if this is talking about jealousy or whatsoever. Something like, yes, makikita mo through their action yung emosyon nila. Okay? So, ganun po. Malaman nyo yung totoong emosyon ng taong ito. Kapag yung something na parang may makikita kayo sa action nila. Okay? Dun yung makikita. Okay, some of you, same gender kayo ni person. Okay, next. Taurus. Okay. Emotion ni person mo. By next week, Taurus. The Knight of Swords in reversed. And the Six of Coins in reversed. Nako, be careful, Taurus. Okay? It's like love bombing. Okay? Breadcrumbing. Dahil meron silang gustong mangyari. Meron silang balak kung ano man. Hindi pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, ang pagdating sa'yo, excuse me, ila-love bomb ka, ibe-breadcrumb ka. Okay? So, parang yun lang yung parang ipapakita nila sa'yo para hindi ka mag-isip ng kung ano. Yeah, the King of Coins universe, unreliable. Okay, be careful, Taurus, ha? Baka maisip nyo, ay, may ginagawa sa akin si person, o may ganto-ganto. Don't trust muna. Okay? Yeah. Ito yung parang nagpe-play safe siya. Opo. Okay? So, yun. I don't know why. Some of them, they're non-committal. Okay? Next. Gemini. Okay. So, Gemini. Ano ba ang totoong emosyon? Ano bang emosyon? Okay. Ni person sa'yo by next week. Anong emosyon niya sa'yo? Gemini. Okay. The Ace of Swords in reversed. So, may mga tago. May mga nakatago. Ano to? The Six of Coins. Some of you, this is a past person. Okay? They want forgiveness. Thinking of you, but they don't know what to say. They don't know what to do whenever you don't know what to say. Diba? Yeah, gusto nila ng forgiveness. Some of them gusto ka lang makausap, pero hindi nila alam kung paano. Okay? Iniisip ka ng iniisip, lalo na yung separation. Gusto nila ng forgiveness or something regarding pakikipag-ayos. Okay? So, yeah, thinking, 'di ba? O, tingnan mo. Isip ng isip si person. Okay, they're in their emotions by next week. Okay? So, andito yung mga panghihinayang niya, ganyan. Okay? Mararamdaman niya yan by next week. Pagdating sa'yo. Panghihinayang, mga regrets. Lalo na nga po, kung nakagawa ng hindi maganda or kung may separation dito. Okay? So, there. Next. Cancer. Your person's emotion by next week. Pagdating sa'yo, Cancer, what's their emotions? The King of Swords in reverse. Oh, why? The Two of Swords in reverse. So, I think, itong taong ito, hindi ko ito nakikita na parang makokontrol mo. Okay? Sabihin nating bibigyan ka ng takot ng taong to. Yeah. Kasi marunong sila na parang dumisisyon din ng kanila. Okay? The King of Coins. Some of you, Cancer. Ang nakikita ko kasi parang under ka nitong taong to. Parang under ka. Or ikaw yung weak pagdating sa connection nyo. So, lahat pwedeng gawin ito. Wala siyang takot. Wala po. Okay? In general. Kung alam mo, Cancer, na ikaw yung parang under dito sa connection nyo, may chance na talagang makokontrol ka, matatakot ka dito. Parang alam nila na anything kaya kong gawin. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, kung meron namang separation dito, decision ng taong to na hindi ka kausapin. Yes. Okay, so there. Next. Okay, so Leo. Leo. Anong emosyon ni person mo by next week? Leo, emotion niya. The Ten of Swords in reversed. This is a repeat. Some of you, this is a past person's energy. Yeah. Oh, the Six of Cups in reverse. Ang taong ito, gustong makita ka na parang, some of them malumbay, bitter, malungkot. Hindi pa ito nakaka-move on actually. Okay? Some of them, may chance na gagawa ito ng revenge. Yes. Okay, hindi ka pa nale-let go nito. Actually, nandoon pa rin yung pain. Gusto nito na maramdaman mo kung anong nararamdaman niya, Leo. May chance na maghanap to ng iba. Yeah. So, this is a past person. May chance na humanap to ng iba. Ipapakita sa'yo. Okay? Para lang masaktan ka. Kasi, yeah, they hurt. Okay? They hurt. Oh. Yeah, the hermit. Oo. So, this is all plans. Okay? Yeah. I think this person still loves you. Kaya ganyan. Yeah, mahal ka pa rin nung past mo, Leo. Next! Virgo. Virgo. Anong emosyon ni past person? Anong past person? Bakit past? I'm sorry. Oo, kasi past person yung lumabas kay Leo. Anyway, Virgo, anong emosyon ni person mo? By next week, pagdating sa'yo, Virgo, ano ang kanyang emosyon pagdating sa'yo, Virgo? Ngayong darating na week. The Magician in reverse, so that's your energy, or maybe another Virgo ang person mo. Oo, so this is manipulation. Oo. Why the Magician in reverse? Parang hindi sila makagawa ng kung ano man. Hindi makapag-umpisa. Yeah, the Six of Wands in reverse. They feel, sabihin nating, feeling jealous, envy. Okay? Gusto nito na parang habulin mo sila. Makuha yung attention mo. Yes. Bakit? Yun lang naman ang kaya nilang gawin. Wala nang iba. No actions. Okay, narekta sa'yo. Yeah. Some of you, this is a past person. So, yeah, pwedeng past person. Okay, so we have here Virgo and Scorpio. Gusto ka nitong parang manghinayang, humabol sa kanya, parang ganyan. Okay, see? Be careful, Virgo. Kung may contact pa rin kayo ng taong to. Kung wala na kayo, tas may contact pa rin, be careful with this person. By next week, may chance na mamaniobra ka eh. Okay? Sa pangsariling kagustuhan po. Okay? Pangsarili. Like, siya lang yung makikinabang. Okay? Be careful. Next. Libra. Libra, anong emosyon ni person mo by next week towards you? Libra. Okay. So, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Libra. Two of Wands. Confused. Why? Saan siya naman naku-confused? The Four of Wands. I think this person likes you. May distansya sa inyong dalawa. Yeah, see? The Empress. They like you. They want you. Pero bakit ganyan? May pagdadalawang isip or may kalituhan itong taong to. Confused. Confusing. So, I think, emosyon nito pagdating sa'yo, hindi nila malaman bakit. Some of them, gusto kanila pero they don't know why. Okay? They don't know why. Kung bakit kanila nagugustuhan. Some of you, you're in a, sabihin nating relationship na. Okay? May gap dito po. Ha? Merong gap sa inyong dalawa ng taong to. They like you. Yeah. Or maybe siya yung may someone. The Chariot. Yeah, they like you. They want to get your attention. They want to take action. They want you na parang talagang makausap ka. Parang ganyan. Pero they don't know how. They don't know why. Cancer yan. Yeah. I don't know. This person likes you. I think some of you, this is a past person and energy and iba sa inyo kung sino yung parang malimit yung nakakasama. Pwedeng sa workplace, may ganun din sa workplace, sa kung saan ka madalas napunta, yung may mga kasamahan kang ibang tao, may someone doon na nagkakagusto rin sa'yo. Okay, pwedeng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer. Okay? So, there. Next. Scorpio. Scorpio. Let's see. Anong emosyon ni person mo by next week? Pagdating sa'yo, Scorpio. The Tower. Ooh, some of you, there's separation. Okay, why? The Nine of Coins. Attracted. Itong taong to, hindi nito inaakala na magkakagusto sa'yo, Scorpio. Okay, nandiyan yung parang may kaba. Okay, may takot itong taong to. Kung ito'y bago, andun yung parang crush ka, no? So, if this is a past person's energy, minamahal nila yung singlehood. Yes, minamahal nila yung singlehood, oo. Okay? And gusto nila makita mo na okay sila. Yeah. Some of them, they still attracted, oo, pagdating sa'yo. Marami itong gustong ibalita, actually. Marami siyang gusto ibalita, pero, yes, ang nakuha ko rito is hindi naman sila makikipag-balikan. Pero marami silang gustong malaman mo. Thinking of you. Pwedeng ang hinder dito is yung breakup. Okay, yung separation. Marami siyang gustong malaman mo. I think some of them, they're planning na bumalik. Or kausapin ka lang, strike you a message, like that. Yeah, mga ganyan. Okay? So, there. Next. Okay. Bakit nauna si Capricorn? Sag muna tayo. Laging ganun, no? Oo. I'm sorry. Sag. Oh, kasi kasunod ni Scorpio, si Sagittarius. So, para fair. Oo. Okay, Sagittarius. Anong emosyon sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Emotion ni person mo by next week towards you. The Two of Swords in reversed. Ano to? The Ten of Wands. Some of them, nandyan yung burden. Like, sabihin nating marami silang gustong ibigay, marami silang gustong i-express. Okay? Burden na kung hindi nila magagawa or masasabi sa'yo kung ano man to. They want to communicate. Actually, okay? Mayroon tong something na gustong ibigay, gustong ipahayag, mga ganyan po. Ha? Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Taking action. So, may chance na yung iba sa inyo, by next week, makakatanggap ng something from your person. Mapa new, mapa past, mapa current. Okay? may mga i-express itong taong to by next week towards you. Okay? Yeah. Ooh. Some of them, they're younger. Yeah. Andyan yung parang hinahanap-hanap ka niya. Opo, hinahanap-hanap ka. Okay? So, next. Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn. Oo. So, Capricorn, ano ang emosyon ni person mo by next week? Anong emosyon niya? Yung taong nasa isip mo. Anong emosyon niya by next week? Pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn. The Nine of Wands. They're guarded. Some of them, they're avoiding you. Why? Why the Nine of Wands? Why? The Knight of Cups in reversed. Hindi malaman ang gusto nitong taong to. Oo. Iiwasan ka, mawawala muna, para kailanganin mo siya. Or, pwedeng iiwasan ka, habang kinakailangan ka. Pinahirapan ito sarili niya Capricorn. Oo. Masyadong mahirap to sa sarili niya. Pahirap siya sa sarili niya. Oo, parang tawag dyan, action star. Ang daming pahirap sa sarili. Okay, so, I don't know, bakit ganito? Ina-avoid ka. Yung feelings nila, ina-avoid nila. Ina-avoid na magkaroon ng feelings pagdating sa'yo. Pero kailangan ka niya, gusto ka niya, kailangan ka. Okay, so, see? They like you. They want you. Some of you, if this is a past person, gusto nilang makipag-ayos sa'yo and wanting a new beginning with you. Wanting to start a new beginning. Okay, they sad. Yeah, they're sad. May mga nakatago dito. Some of you, I don't know bakit talagang tinatago nito or pinipigilan nito na magkagusto sa'yo or pinipigilan niya yung emosyon niya para sa'yo. I don't know why. Okay? Tingnan natin, bakit niya pinipigilan. Nosy. Tingnan natin. Let's see. Oh, the Three of Swords in reverse. Some of you may chance na may mga third party or sabihin nating ayaw lang niya na parang makakaramdam ng pain if ever. Oo. Ganun ka ka-advance yung taong to. Pagdating sa'yo. Oo. Kaya ganyan. No, they will hold back. Hide their feelings. Pero hindi sila talagang sabihin natin iniisip ka. Okay? Iniisip ka. Pahirap sa sarili na, Okay, next, Aqua. Okay, Aquarius. Let's see. Anong meron sa emosyon ni person mo? Yung taong iniisip mo. Anong emosyon niya? Pagdating sa'yo, Aqua. The Four of Wands in reverse, unstable. Why? Why the Four of Wands? Some of you may separation po, ha? May nangyaring separation or fallout. The Seven of Wands, they will try to block you. Yeah, mayroon ditong energy na pwedeng bine-blame ka nito. I don't know why. Pwedeng Libra, pwedeng Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, bine-blame ka niya sa kung anong nangyari sa inyo. Opo. Okay, so andyan yung, okay, bahala ka sa buhay mo, iwan kita. Or gagawin ko lahat ng gusto kong gawin. They're being immature. Opo. Okay, being immature. Acting immature. Okay, so, yeah, I don't know some of them kasi hindi nila tanggap kung anong nangyari, kung anong meron sa separation. Yeah. Ano na naman ang ginawa mo dito, Aqua? Ano na naman? Madam, wala kaming ginagawa. Di wala. Okay, so, yeah. Next. Pisces. Pisces. Yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Big help yan, ha? Okay, Pisces. Anong emosyon ng person mo by next week pagdating sa'yo? Death in reversed. Okay, some of them, they're starting to heal. Yeah, the Hierophant. Trying to avoid you. Pero some of them, they're trying to stalk you. Some of them, tinuturuan nila yung sarili nila na mag-move on. Pero they don't know, like, mahirap. Okay? Mahirap sa kanila na mag-commit sa healing. Na mag-commit sa pag-move on. Yeah, some of them, they still want to commit. They want still a relationship with you. Pero, yun nga, I don't know, some of you, may mga naka-block dito, trying to stalk you, they want to message you, pero how? They don't know how. Okay? So, this is like acceptance kung anong meron sa kanya. Kung anong meron sa sitwasyon nyo. Ina-accept na lang ng taong to. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Swords. Energy ng healing. So, si Page of Cups, may mga emosyon to na hindi niya alam kung paano i-express. Okay? So, there. So, yun po, no, ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.